Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix Threads app not working on iPhone problem. So for this, go to settings, tap on general. From here, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Now from here, locate and tap on Threads. Tap on show all and you will find this Threads app. Tap on it. Now tap on offload app. Wait for a few seconds and then tap on reinstall the Threads app again. After reinstalling, try opening the Threads app again to see the changes. The second fix is to search for App Store. Open App Store and search Threads. And if there are any update available, just tap on update and update the app. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next.